I first started driving scrapers when I was 19. I used to build catfish pond out in West Alabama. Well, my favorite piece of equipment to operate is a scraper, I reckon, because I've been running it so long. I just enjoy driving them.
I've been operating scrapers for probably 4 months now. I feel like the Ks have a lot more power, a lot smoother ride. I really like the operating system, everything on the dashboard, the new dashboard and everything. It seems a lot more simpler.
For the guy with only 5 years experience, I started on the G model or the F model, and I went to the G model, and then they threw me in the K. Within an hour, I understood all the operations because I had the console there. I knew exactly what was going on. If I had a problem, I knew what to handle. And the joystick is a wonderful device, just for the simple fact that when you're operating, you got so many things around you to pay attention to. Your head's always on a swivel. You got to watch your surroundings, people hooking up, people in front of you. And so it's nice that you have one hand and you know all the buttons are right there to operate that scraper. One little thing. And if you have to turn your head just for a second, everything's on the side, so it's just a matter of a couple inches and you know exactly what's going on with that scraper, and I love that.
The seat is all redesigned, and it's much more comfortable. So you can see a lot better. The windows are really big. The visibility is a lot better. The steering on the K-Series is much faster. It doesn't really require as much exertion, it's not as fatiguing on the operator. It's just much quieter and faster.
The F is older. It has no electronics whatsoever. It's all lever operated. The only electronics on the F is actually notice lights, warning lights. The K is totally different. It has sequence assist. You can actually run through the programs quicker and faster whenever you're coming in and out of holes.
Differences between the K and the G are like night and day. As far as the operator is a lot smarter machine than the G model. When you can unload on a pile like this with one push of a button, it really simplifies things for the operator.
I was running the K and the other operator was on the G, and we were headed up the same ramp, and I was slowly gaining on him, so they're definitely a little more power.
I like Cat because they're up to speed with everything. They look out for the operators, the comfort of the operators.
It rides a whole lot smoother, and it don't beat you up like the other fans have been in the past.
They care about the operator.